Hi, Mason. Can you read? Sit back and read. Can you read the book? Read this book for me. Read the book. Farm Kisses. Farm Kisses. It's time for bed. How do we say goodnight? Let's look at the animals to see how we might. Cows smooch.
Moo.
Good job. Kitties scratch.
Wee.
Good job. Horses nuzzle.
Nee.
Good job. Sheep snuggle.
Ba, ba, ba.
Good job. Bees buzz. That's right. Oh. You like the bees. Yeah, it's a wet bee. Dogs kiss. Good job. Spiders tickle. Tickle, tickle. Goats nibble.
Ba.
Good job. Now it's our turn. Which one shall we do? But instead of the animals, it's me and you.
Caca.
Is that the duck? Quack, quack. Pig.
Nee.
Horse. Cow.
Moo.
Good job. Sheep.
Ba, ba, ba.
Bee. Good job. Okay, what's the next one?
Ba.
Goat. Good. What about the spider?
Tickle.
Tickle, tickle. Or the dog?
Dog.
What does the dog say?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Okay, bye-bye.